Welcome back to Medina County, Texas, GMRS. As you can see right up here behind me, we got the repeater antenna about 40 feet in the air, which is about double where it was before. So I'm going to flash some pictures of us working on it earlier this morning. I am worn out. Haven't put out many videos this past week. Been busy with work and getting prepared to set this thing up. So a lot of stuff going on. So the exciting news of the day is we did hit 500 subscribers. And we're going to go in the shack. We're going to do a drawing for y'all to give away the simplex repeater module and the TID radio Bluetooth programmer. So let's get in there and see who the lucky winners are. All right, so we're back in the shack. There's some new equipment over here that we're going to talk about on the next video. That is the Retevis RT99. It's a Bluetooth radio, goes up into the GMRS frequencies, and it is Bluetooth to the tablet here. Anybody in our group with a data-capable GPS radio, we get to track their location, we get to send messages. There's an app. I was actually in Baton Rouge in my hotel room last week, and I can press a button on my phone and transmit through that radio all across Medina County, send and receive. Anybody on a radio, a handheld radio, excuse me, can broadcast. I was getting it there. So we're going to go into that. As I'd mentioned, it's similar to what that one YouTube fella does with Zello, but this is a step above. This is some cool stuff. We're going to get into that. All right, most importantly, we got some goodies. I'm doing this from my cell phone. I just want to make a quick video and get these winners drawn and get your stuff mailed out. So sorry, my damn head is so big and I'm moving around a lot. My apologies. All right, I'm going to flip you around. Hold on. All right, got you flipped around. So here are all of the public subscribers. Here is the TID radio Bluetooth programmer. Here is the simplex repeater module. And here, hold on, we got to do this one-handed. It's a pain in the ass. All of y'all are going in here. We're going to shuffle you up. We're going to shake you up. 2 winners coming up. And once again, the next drawing will be at 7:50. I think I'm going to give away 3 or 4 of those little USB scanner dongles. So hold on, I got to come in again to open this box. All right, winner number 1. I'm not looking. I'm flipping them around in here. And winner of the TID radio Bluetooth programmer, William Schleppgrell. I will be contacting you, sir. That TID radio Bluetooth programmer is yours. Next up, the Retevis TR10 simplex repeater module is going to, I had 2 of them, is going to, if I get it around here, Nate Howard. You are the lucky winner, sir. I will be figuring out how to contact y'all and get these shipped to you this week. I truly, how much I appreciate all of you for watching my channel and making this fun and being able to share our experiences with you. Let me tell you, putting that antenna up today, we had 10 people out here. 10? No, probably more like 13 people out here out of the group. And let me tell you, I could not have done it without them. We ended up putting the 3 sets of guy wires on it. It's affixed to the eave of the shack here. And man, I couldn't have done it without those guys. So I know my friends are watching, so thank you again. I know I said it a million times today, but I'll say it a million more because it wouldn't have been possible without y'all's help. So I encourage all of y'all, if you're into GMRS and you know a few people in your area who are, get together with them, man. You've got to start a little group and, you know, go have lunch, go have breakfast every week or 2 weeks. It's a great way to get to know people. All right, thanks for watching. Congratulations again to William and Nate. We will be getting you your prizes, and I can't wait to give away more shit. There we go. That's what I was going to say. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all have a great day.